Hi, I'm Todd Cook. Welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of Polymer E-Club's Ask the Cook. We're here to talk about polymers and polymer application to help you answer the question, what do you need to know to add polymer know-how to your career? As we've said here on Polymer E-Club before, polymers are lightweight, corrosion resistant, and easily formed into their final net shape. So they have advantages over metals, leading us to occasionally perform metal replacement. Now, why would you want to replace a metal? Well, we've already outlined the reasons. If the part needs to be manufactured with a complex shape, needs to resist corrosion or be lightweight, polymers can be a terrific choice. Most of us have seen applications where the first polymer part looked very much like the metal part it replaced. Over time, as it gains market acceptance, it's possible to change into new ergonomic forms, add better performance features, maybe some completely new features can be found that the polymer can offer. It's better for the business, though, for these to be utilized right away. I call a product like this a category killer because it has the features, long-lasting performance, and attractive cost that competitors don't offer and will have a very difficult time matching. It's possible to replace many materials, although steel cannot be replaced easily because of its high strength. But not all of a part needs to be strong, only the parts with high applied loads. It's possible to replace the complexity, making the rest of the part with a fast cycling insert molded part, for example, taking full advantage of the weight reduction and corrosion enhancement while winning on cost due to net shape manufacturing enhancement. Gadsden Glock became a billionaire. Husqvarna made a lighter chainsaw. Eaton made great superchargers. And Boeing made an airplane that can be humidified to make it easier to sleep in it. All because metal can be replaced. Knowing how to use polymers' advantages to replace heavier and more costly parts, that's working knowledge. That's what we know you love about us here at Polymer E-Club, Ask the Cook. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you appreciate the content. You can follow a link in the description to learn more about the Polymer E-Club and how to get involved. I'm Todd Cook for Polymer E-Club, Ask the Cook. Thanks for watching.